Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the Soul Tribe. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Grab your tea, grab your tree, grab your drink, do whatever you need to do to get comfortable, because me, Tasha, is gonna spill the tea straight. No chasing, no sugarcoating bullshit. It is what it is. So please use discernment. This could be your story, this could be somebody else's, this could be somebody playing in your energy that you know nothing about. So discern. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe as you are coming in. It shows love to the channel and helps the algorithm. You know the deal, babe. Ancestors, spirit guides of the highest white light, I call you into my beautiful space and ask for a clear, precise channeled message for the beautiful collective that is tuning into me right now. Bottom of the deck is the house. Somebody likes the way you take care of yourself. You got house, you got trickery, you got volcano, you got tree, you got endurance, you got bravery, and you got hedgehog. Somebody loves how brave you are. They know that you may be hard on the outside, rough around the edges, maybe like a Lotso. Maybe there's somebody around you like that. Masculine, feminine, take it as it resonates, energy. Who's being brave, who portrays themselves as hard, but inside they have this softness about them. Somebody is being brave. They have the endurance to really plant the seed and watch it grow. However, it's you. You have the endurance to plant the seeds and watch it grow, but you had to burn down some kind of family tree, a foundation, what people thought of you. And it's causing a major tower for these people who try to trick you out your motherfucking house, out your spot, at somebody's spot. At the end of the day, there's a lot of unexplainable events happening because you chose to plant seeds somewhere else. You chose to do something else, or somebody is choosing something else. I'm telling you, somebody wanted to set a trap for you. They wanted you to hang. They wanted you to feel some kind of way, but you don't have no guilty conscience. You're straight, you're solid, you're legit. And if people choose and want to be somewhere else, then let them fucking be. You're not making nobody do nothing. It's free will, and love is liberating. Love is not binding. Love sets you free. If it comes back, then it was yours in the first fucking place. At the end of the day, somebody is upset because your house is still in check. The way you take care of yourself. Maybe perhaps somebody thought that you would be all dried up if they left you. If they let you. Yeah, somebody just let you be for too fucking long. They thought that you weren't gonna do nothing with your life. They thought that the magic, the manipulation, the voodoo was gonna work. Maybe somebody tried to do this on a relationship of yours, and now somebody is waking up, being brave, and really coming towards you. But ooh, are they sharp with a lot of people? They're not gonna be sharp with you. They're not gonna be mean with you, harsh with you, cruel with you. But somebody is putting somebody in their place. You're putting somebody in their place. I'm telling you, on both sides of the spectrum, whoever's coming towards you, you are both straightening things out so that this house is peaceful. Let's get the tarot. Yeah, there's a King of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces doesn't have to be. It's somebody who's in their feelings. Maybe they go to the water to express and release themselves. Maybe that's what they should be doing. At the end of the day, somebody's holding in these emotions, whether for you or for these people. They're frustrated. They're absolutely frustrated. Maybe sexually, emotionally, mentally, financially. Somebody's absolutely frustrated and wants to speak with you, but there's a lot of people stirring the pot, causing commotions. Could have been even with magic. Somebody manipulated them. Ancestors, somebody tried to manipulate you. But it didn't work. Somebody tried to manipulate you so you wouldn't invest in this sneaky snake. Somebody lied, okay? They lied. They thought they were going to get away with it, but they can't. Whatever lie was told about you or about somebody else, the truth is coming out. Somebody's about to squeal. Because you're justice, balancing of the scales, guys. Somebody may be your equal, but it's sitting in a very dark spot right now, wants to bring justice to an equation, so they're calling out all these snakes that try to scandal you, try to put somebody else in some kind of manipulation. Ooh. At the end of the day, somebody wants to invest in you. Somebody's really taking the time to, do the work properly, to set something straight, to set something in motion. You're setting something in motion, guys. This tricky ass person in the background is really upset right now because they are getting caught up. And it may not be a physical person who's getting these people caught up. It could be an actual entity for whatever they did. If they did spell work, say voodoo or whatever, they went to Papa Legba. Well, they asked for something, and in return they gave something. So something needs to be returned back to the spiritual realm. Something needs to balance itself out. Somebody's scared because it could be a person. Somebody's scared of a person because now that they're waking up from the trickery and shit, they see you as the sun. Oh, somebody wants to dance into the sunset with you. I bet you they do just about anything to come near you. It's giving me like somebody has you in their head on repeat, like their favorite song, and they can't stop humming. Somebody's a little depressed, and because of that depression, that dark night of the soul, they want to come towards you, Hangman, because they see things in a different perspective now. Yeah. 6 of Wands. They know why you chose to be by yourself and why you burnt up some kind of opportunity, relationship, friendship, whatever that is. You set it free, you let it go, because you know that it wasn't for you. Somebody really had some kind of ulterior motives, and now they can't get you out their head. Somebody can't get you out their head now that some kind of manipulation has fucking woken up. People are seeing that you are the light for somebody. You gave somebody hope, faith. You really chose a different life for yourself. Yeah, and you healed. You healed. And that's what's giving you this brand new opportunity. Ace of Pentacles. Somebody sees you as extremely valuable, but they didn't see it before. That's why it's in reverse. That's why somebody's sad, because somebody lied. They said that you weren't valuable, that you were a liability. You were a major asset to somebody, and now somebody wants to come back home. What the fuck is this? 5 of Swords. Whoever tried to betray you, keep you out, keep you away from somebody, they're all fucked up, because at the end of the day, you're still gonna dance to the beat of your own drum. You're still gonna, love who you love, and somebody's worried that whatever they tried to do, the backstabbing, the betrayals, it didn't work. 10 of Wands, they're the ones who are carrying the weight. Something's really heavy for somebody. And it's these tricky people, 5 of Swords, who try to betray you. They're watching you. They wanted to put illusion in somebody's way so that they couldn't come towards you, or you wouldn't go towards somebody else. At the end of the day, all the paths lead to the same destination, and this snake is getting all caught up. Maybe I'll post the other one before this one, I don't know. 8 of Wands. Somebody sees you as a messenger and is coming